like cheap glass on concrete, left you stranded in the wreckage. Echoes of promises incomplete. You rode those midnight highways alone, windshield blurred with rain and regret. But headlights cut the darkness now. I'm the one you won't forget. Pulled up slow through the downpour, gravel crunching under worn leather boots, steam rising off the hood, your silhouette framed in the porch light's golden hue. No more shadows chasing you down back roads of yesterday. Listen to the thunder fade, I'm here to stay. There's a new sheriff in town, sweeping out the dust from every broken corner of your heart, chasing ghosts through the storm till the sky falls apart, locking that old pain behind iron bars. Girl, I'm the badge, the promise, the only law around, shielding you, holding you under these white Texas stars. There's a new sheriff in town, and baby, it's me. I'll ride shotgun through lightning strikes and howling wind, arms wrapped tight while the world spins. No more empty porch swings creaking in the moon's cold glow. I'll turn those lonely nights into embers burning slow. Hands tracing fire along your waist in the soft kitchen glow, whispering vows that sink deep like roots in red clay soil. You won't wake to silence anymore, I'll be the steady heartbeat at your door. There's a new sheriff in town, sweeping out the dust from every broken corner of your heart, chasing ghosts through the storm till the sky falls apart, locking that old pain behind iron bars. Girl, I'm the badge, the promise, the only law around, shielding you, holding you under these white Texas stars. There's a new sheriff in town, yeah. No more tears carving rivers down your cheeks in the dark. I'm redrawing county lines around this healing heart. Trust this weathered hand, it's steady, scarred and true. From this night forward, every mile belongs to me and you. There's a new sheriff in town, standing tall as the sunrise paints the barn red and proud. Your heart safe in my holster now, forever claimed.